Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide your WhatsApp last seen on your iPhone. So first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp application. So let's click on it. After that, you have to click on the settings button here. And then now you have to scroll a bit down and then you can see an option here, privacy. Click on it. After that, now you can see the first option is appearing here, last seen. Click on it and now you can see different options here. Who can see my last seen? You can do it everyone if you want. You can do only your contacts and you can select specific contacts you want to show. You can select here you don't want to show and then click on the done button. Let's say I don't want to show these guys and then click on done button, and it will not show to these 6 contacts I have excluded. And if you want to make it nobody, you have to click on the nobody and no one can see your last seen. And you can do it for everyone, and you can do it for my contacts, and you can do the my contacts expect, and you can do it for the nobody. So it's up to you, whatever option you want to choose. And you can see your online status as well. You can make the same setting of last seen, or you can do the everyone. So I hope you guys understand the video. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Follow for more videos.